So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure this radius of this incircle is 1 centimeter. So you can see that this is incircle of this triangle ABC and the radius of this is 1 centimeter is given. PA is given as 4 centimeter and PB is given as 3 centimeter. So we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. So we have to find this ABC triangle area. So you first try, then we start the solution. So let's see. So you see this figure. So this PA, like this PA and AQ, both are tangent from the point A. So if this distance given in the problem is 4 centimeter, so this is also 4 centimeter. If and from the B point these and these are tangent, if this distance is 3 centimeter, so this distance is also 3 centimeter, and from the point C this and these are tangent to this in circle. So let's say this is X, so this is also X. So now we have scenario like this. So this is our like triangle A, B and C. A opposite side is A and B opposite side is B and C opposite side is C. So this is general, and now you see in this figure like this whole distance is 7 centimeter, this whole distance is 3 plus x, and this whole distance is 4 plus x. Now we can say like this. So this side becomes 7, this side becomes 3 plus x, and this side becomes 4 plus x. Now we know that the area of the triangle is root of s times s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This is Heron's formula, and where s is a plus b plus c by 2. Now this is our a, this is our c, and this is our b. So what is the value of a? A is our 3 plus x. What is the value of b? It is 4 plus x, and c is 7. So you can put here, so it will come like 7 plus x is equal to s. So s value will come like 7 plus x. And now you can put s value here. You also know the a, b and c value. So it will become like del square is s is our 7 plus x and 7 plus x minus a. So a we know is 3 plus x, 7 plus x minus b. B we know like a is 3 plus x and b we know it is 4 plus x. So it is 4 plus x, and c we know it is 7. So del square you calculate, it will come like 7 plus x. It is 4, it is 3 and it is x. So you calculate, this is 7 plus x and this is 12x. So this is 84x plus 12x square. This is coming like del square value. So we are getting del square value like this. So we can note this. Now let's move forward. Now you see this figure. So we can also write area of the triangle in this way. So this is our center of this incircle. So if we, and this is the tangent. So if you draw perpendicular from center to this tangent, so this is 90-degree angle and this length is equal to the radius of the incircle. Like here, these are also tangent, this is also tangent and this is also tangent. So you draw perpendicular, this distance is also equal to the radius and this distance is also equal to the radius. So there are three triangles. So the triangle ABC area can be written like this: the triangle AOB area plus the triangle BOC area plus the triangle COA area. So like first is this triangle, like this triangle, second is this triangle, third is this triangle. So we are combining three triangle areas. Like we are combining this part and this part. So we can write the area of the triangle ABC is area of the triangle AOB plus BOC plus COA. So what is AOB? It is half times this base length is 7 and this vertical height is 1 centimeter, which is radius. And what is BOC area? Half times this base is 3 plus x and vertical height is same as radius plus half times 4 plus x and vertical height is 1. So this is this COA triangle area. So from here you can see that the del, which is the area of the triangle, it is coming like half times 7 plus half times 3 plus x plus half times 4 plus x. So if you calculate this, this will come like 7 plus x. And you can write like del square is 7 plus x whole square, which is 49 plus 14x plus x square. And we also calculated del square value is equal to this, so we can equate both of this. So this will come like 84 plus 84x plus 12x square is equal to 49 plus x square plus 14x. So it will come like 11x square plus 70x minus 49 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. So you can solve like x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a, which is this. So from here you can get x value. There are two x values, like one will come like 7 by 11 or other will come like minus 7. So we x is the length, so we ignore the negative value, so we take x value 7 by 11. Now we have to calculate the area of the triangle ABC, which is equal to the 7 plus x. So you can put x value like 7 by 11, so it will come like 84 by 11. So this is our area of the triangle ABC. So this is 84 by 11 centimeter square. So in this way we can solve this. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video.